Hey, hi. So today's video is unapologetically self-centered, like peak self-obsession energy. It's all about me. But hey, you clicked, so maybe you're curious too, because I'm trying something wild. I'm turning my own face into an AI avatar using a bunch of different AI tools and then animating those images into mini videos. Think of it like a little ego trip with some creative tech wizardry. If you ever wanted to see yourself fly, dance, or slay in haute couture, this one's for you. So let's dive in. So first stop, Midjourney. The new Omni Reference feature is straight fire. Basically, you upload your photo twice, once in the image prompt and once as an Omni reference. That way, Midjourney is like, oh, you really want this face, huh? The results, a glorious mess. Sometimes me, but make it magical, and other times it's me, but I just woke up on another planet. But here's the trick. Keep tweaking the prompts. Keep it simple. You'll eventually land on a version that actually looks like you, but even better. Here you can see an entire gallery of me in various locations, art, illustration styles, iconic, isn't it? Next up, Kling AI. Technically a video app, but a low-key face fidelity expert. You upload a photo, give it a vibe like high fashion, editorial, glamorous woman in pastel ruffled dress wearing a French bonnet, and bam, it keeps your face weirdly accurate while going wild with the scene. Even better, you can adjust the reference trend. Go full if you want to look just like the photo, and tone it down if you're feeling experimental. These are so whimsical. Total Alice in Wonderland. Now let's talk Higgsfield. Super underrated, but the image generation side is bananas. You upload multiple photos of yourself, and boom, it learns your face and creates a reusable character model. You can now prompt it with different styles: realistic, iPhone candid, cinematic drama queen, you name it, it creates. And guess what? It actually remembers your features across the outputs, like a loyal AI stylist. These are so accurate, I sent it to my mom and she said, when did you get a shoot done? Last one in the AI avatar department is Artflow AI. And oh boy, this one is next level. It lets you train an AI actor of your face. You upload a bunch of images and it builds a 3D-ish character model of you that you can reuse anywhere on the platform. And it gives you a bunch of sample images. Some are a miss, but others, let's just say, if AI modeling was a thing, I'm in. So we have made our AI avatars now. Let's bring them to life. First up, Midjourney Animate. Just hover over your image generations, click Animate, and it will generate 4 motion variations. You can choose the speed, slow-mo drama, or zippy action. You will get animated short film clips that look like cinematic GIFs of your AI self. Tell me why this makes me feel that I should be in an animated film trailer. Now back to Kling. Because it's actually built for video, you can use your face generation assets and add a custom prompt, like a model poses beautifully for the camera. Give all the details of movement and mood, and it gives you a short dynamic video of your AI face doing exactly that. Plus, Kling has ready-made effect templates too. You just upload your generated image, pick any one of the effects. I tried a bunch of them, like flying over the clouds, skateboarding, on a broom ride, and yay, officially now I am a fallen angel too. Higgsfield's Explore tab too is filled with effects and motion templates. It lets you plug those characters into these existing video templates. Want to dance, float, model, or even lip sync, you got it. You can even edit the prompt for each scene to match the vibe. And the final videos, scary realistic. Finally, Artflow's animation button. Once your AI character is trained, you hit animate. Pick the prompt like mage playing with fire and thunder or 360-degree camera movement and select the duration and resolution. You can also choose the camera angles and mode. It's like directing a short film, starring the AI you. It is Dungeons and Dragons, the AI version. So there you have it. A full journey of turning me into an AI character. And then turning the character into motion, story, fantasy, chaos, and dreams. Was it self-indulgent? Absolutely. Was it fun? You bet. Do I now think I should star in a fantasy sci-fi film directed by AI Spielberg? Oh yeah. But jokes aside, these tools are powerful for creators, designers, or just someone wanting to live their superhero daydreams. These apps are playground. Let me know which avatar looked most like me, or maybe which one looked better than me. I won't be offended, or maybe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your own AI avatar experiments in the comments. Catch you in the next one. Until then, keep creating.